This gorgeous hidden waterfall is located on the Washington side of the scenic Columbia River Gorge near Underwood. It is a fairly small waterfall with some brilliant turquoise-blue water surrounded by some astonishing old-growth forests. The water is given its striking hue by algae. The waterfall itself is only about 33 feet tall, and during the winter, icicles hang from the caves, making a majestic winter scene with the crystal blue water. To get to this waterfall, you will need to find the off-road stop about 100 yards before the mile 2 marker on Cook-Underwood Road. There's a steep mile hike that is rated as difficult, and the path is not well marked. Having done it myself, it was quite a bit of fun, but I would definitely not recommend bringing dogs or children, as it is a fairly dangerous hike. I found myself having to hold on to trees to catch myself from slipping onto jagged rocks a few hundred feet downhill. At the end, the hike was well worth it, and the luscious waterfall and surrounding greenery was unexplainably vibrant and truly a fantastic sight to see. I definitely recommend giving it a try if you have the equipment, desire, and ability. Stay safe and stay on the trail as it is surrounded by private property. Enjoy yourself and the beautiful water that nature has to offer.